Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. In this video lecture we are going to learn about HTML attributes. Paragraph, style, background color. Let's give a paragraph background color sky blue. Now it's looking good. These are style attribute, also inline style CSS. Give it similar to all paragraph. Save this file and come back here, reload. Now see, if you want to give different colors of every paragraph, then give it a value. Let's say green. Now this one say yellow, this one say dark gray. Save this file, reload the browser. So see, every paragraph got different colors. So this is also inline style CSS style attribute we learned today. If you want to give another color, let's say white, save this file. Heading 1 got color change white. You can give multiple properties and values, so like that we can give it here also different color. Every heading dark blue. Save this file, come back here. See, heading color got dark blue. Similar like that, you can give any properties, you can change every colors. So style attribute we learn about background color. You can also give as a title attributes. If you title of the paragraph, so let's say this is news article. Let's give this paragraph title as a news article, but here attribute is rendered in the browser is because of the DOM element, document object model already rendered it. If you put the cursor on these lines, and you will see the news article title, because this is the extra information we have given. So like that we can identify the what is this article about. So similar like that, if you this article is something else, title give it as a sport news. Title already is rendered on the DOM element, and then see, second paragraph is sport news, first paragraph is a news article, this one is a sport news. Similar like that we can identify easily if you give the title. So title attribute also useful. And these are the predefined attributes, but if you want to give it a user defined attribute, then let's say news type. This one is not predefined, this one is a user defined. Let's say this news is about information. Save this file, but the user defined attribute is already rendered. If you go to the view page source, there is a news type we have given. This is also render with the browser DOM element. So this one is a user defined attribute. Everything will be get inside the DOM element. So like that we can give user defined attributes to every HTML tags. These are the attributes of HTML we learn it. There are a lot of attributes like ID, name, class, title, href, alternate, src. So we will learn one by one with example. Today we learn style attributes. Next lecture we will learn about the color code, RGB, hash code,